let's see what we got. Pretty nice box. Power on. First time I'm buying anything from them. More boxes. Jesus, so small. 12 mini. Actual charger. All that back. So let's check out the condition of the 12 mini. It's in excellent condition, except for, I don't know what that is. Let me see if I could clean that. I don't know, we'll see. It's got no battery. Let's see if we could just set this up. Siri, set a timer. Hey Siri, set a time for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. So why did I get a 12 mini if I have a 13 Pro? I'm gonna use this phone to help me with my videos. Maybe we'll see if it's gonna come in handy. But that's what I want to use it for. Help me capture videos better. So the phone died. I'm gonna let it charge. It had 10% of battery anyways. Let it charge. So why did I buy another phone? I think this one's gonna help me vlog, and it's gonna help the page out a little bit. We'll see if it's gonna come in handy or not. I don't know. Plug. Where did I buy this from? Power on plug. Here's the company. I think they're just called Power on Plug, or maybe just Plug. Let me pull up. They have an app. Let me pull it up here. Where's it at? Oh, there it is. Oh, it's Plug. So how much did I pay for this? Let's see. Where is my orders? Wanna see if I can find it. All orders. So I paid $358. And it's used, you know, refurbished, but excellent condition. It looks like it all works fine. I'll have an update video about it in a couple weeks once I test it out for a little bit. So I'm pretty happy about that. For right now, I do recommend the company. If you're looking to buy used Apple, or they also have Android, but mostly they do specify on a lot of Apple products, but also Android, and they're not limited to one thing. I seen Ring doorbells on there, watches, Apple watches, Samsung, bunch of different watches, earbuds, and they go through new stuff all the time, and they have pretty good prices. Do they have the best prices? I don't know. Probably eBay would be cheaper if you would bid on stuff, but overall they're pretty good. As of right now, I recommend them. I do gotta test that out, but the unboxing is pretty legit, so we'll see.